Hey there. You're probably curious about Brave. I'm going to tell you why I'm using it, why I think you should use it, especially if you are creating content on the internet. Here we are. So this is the first page you'll open up when you get Brave. Each time you open it up, there'll be a nice, beautiful new photo. This is already better than Chrome. I like it. These photos are really great. Um, They've got sweet little tabs. It all shows up nicely. You can see how many ads and trackers have already been blocked, how much time you've saved by doing that. You've got your reward system over there. We'll get more into all of that. First things first, if you would like to download Brave and you're thinking about it already, go ahead and click the link below. I have brave.com/SMI815 has a referral website if you'd like to support me in that. The referrals are quite something. I'll jump right here. I'm fully transparent on all of this. If you download, install, and use for 30 days, a minimum of 30 days, right in there, I can possibly receive, and you could possibly receive, if you also create or refer others. From the United States, it's roughly $7.50. BAT equivalent, the basic currency that they're using for the cryptocurrency. This whole system does run on the cryptocurrency. If they're in another country, say Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Ireland, Japan, New Zealand, United Kingdom, $6.50. And then it goes into some further groups, which does get lower and lower. There's a big group down here, which is only $1. Something to keep note of. Referral payouts, you do have to have a verified Uphold account. That is a cryptocurrency account that will be paid to you. If you do not want to do that, if you're just using Brave and you're looking to just use it, maybe get some of this reward currency, right up here, you can click the little triangle and choose to check your reward settings here. First things first, you can turn off the ads completely. Some of this I'll talk about is the ads that you can watch in the browser. Maybe we'll get one to pop up. But these are what give you the BAT, the BAT. The more you watch, the more you can gain. I'm up to 0.35. This is quite literally only using it on this PC for a day, maybe 2 days. That's an equivalent of about 7 cents. On my phone, I've used it a lot longer the last month. I have roughly $4 on my phone that I've been using. But you can choose to turn this off completely and just use this as a fully ad blocked, non-cookie tracking type of website. Their kind of spiel up here, I'll go straight from them. Take back control with Brave. This is straight from their website, brave.com. Blocks data grabbing ads and trackers. So a lot of websites are using this stuff now. Ads and trackers means a faster internet. If your browser is not loading all this junk to begin with, it's automatically going to be faster. Browse much more privately with Tor. This is pretty crazy. Tor is it's a big time thing. I personally haven't used it a whole lot. But I know a little bit about it. You can actually do this right now. New private window with Tor up in the settings menu at the right. Will open up right away. It's already built into the desktop version. And they say it is coming to mobile soon. Coming soon to mobile. That's pretty huge. If you're really, really, really concerned about privacy, Tor is about as private as it gets right there. Earn rewards and support content creators. Frequent flyer-like tokens just for browsing. This is what I was talking about with the BAT. There'll be ads that pop up, and you can click on them, open them up, gain some BAT, close it, and be done. Just gain a little bit here and there for ads you probably would have already seen anyway on another browser. At least you get a little bit of a kickback from it. Tip and contribute to websites directly through Brave Rewards. This is a big thing where I'm talking about for content creators. Myself, I'm really small. We have a lot of crazy support and love. I appreciate all you guys out there. But if anybody was to download this, use Brave, or is already using Brave, they come across a site of mine. Let's say a brand new website. I just got this up and running. SmirkinLive.com. It is here. If they were to click on the Brave reward icon, you'll see SmirkinLive.com. I am a Brave verified creator. They can choose right there to send a tip in any fashion they want for their BAT that they have. You do not have to have that Uphold account to send BAT to a creator. If you have a favorite person online you like watch YouTube videos, you can send it to them. That does work through YouTube as well. YouTube.com/C Smirking Live. It'll be the same thing. If somebody's on my profile and they're using this, boom, Smirking Live on YouTube. I've set it up for YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, and my websites so far. I know Reddit, and I believe some blogs are on there as well. So that's all you gotta do for that. Support people right away. There's auto contribute on here. You can, that this is enabled by default. You might check this once you've installed. You can turn this on or off. I personally have it off so I can control where, specifically where the BAT might go. What it will do if you turn it on. See if this will show me. This won't show me because I've had it off. But it'll show where your stuff is going to go. And it's kind of an automatic thing. If you're constantly on like my Twitch or my Twitter or my YouTube, it's probably going to automatically contribute a certain amount to me or anybody else. That would be a common thing that you've been watching if they are verified. A lot of websites, a lot of things are not, so it wouldn't have any effect there. Here we can actually see right there, include and auto contribute. You can turn that off if there's a website you don't want to auto contribute to. It's kind of a way to set it and forget it. That's kind of it. I want to do it quick and dirty. If you want a browser, has ad block built in, is private, also gives you a chance to earn money back for the viewing you're already doing. Runs really well. It runs off of Chromium. If you need certain extensions, here, let me show you guys that too. Extensions, I personally don't use any. I almost never use any. I kind of need BTTV for Twitch. Let's go get that. You can go straight to the Chrome Web Store. There we go. Better TTV. I didn't know how they were spelling it on here, but it's right there. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Boom. It'll work just like it does on Chrome if you've been used to that. Even, I believe uBlock Origin is on here as well. If you want to double it up, or if you're getting sites that are somehow getting by Brave's automatic ad blocking there, you can go there. There it is. There you have it. If you want to get the Brave browser here and you are okay with using the link, brave.com/SMI815. Give me a click. All right, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I've helped you learn a little bit more about this. I've had a blast with the browser so far, and I'm trying to share it around a little bit. Thank you so much. Have a great day.